The Air Jordan 6 DMP Defining Moments package is finally set to release on April the 18th. The sneaker originally released in January of 2006 as part of the revolutionary two-pair package that included Michael Jordan's championship winning footwear in 1991 and 1996. Now, the Air Jordan 6 DMP Defining Moments package is scheduled to drop for a retail point of $200 and will release on Nike, Dick's Sporting Goods, Finish Line, JD Sports, Nordstrom, Snipes, DTLR, Foot Locker, East Bay, Foot Action, and Champs. And you can always find all the raffles and links to where all hype sneaker drops will occur. All the links, raffles, we always put those on our Twitter account, which I will leave the link to our Twitter account down below in the video description. I would highly recommend to scroll down there and follow us on Twitter if you haven't already. Now, a lot of people are wondering, are these sneakers going to be profitable? Will they sell out? Should I wait for a sale on these sneakers, or should I go ahead and pay retail for them? We're going to break all that down right now on StockX. Now, here on StockX we have the Jordan 6 Retro DMP that is scheduled to drop in 2020. This is the sneaker we're going to be talking about in today's video. It is a very good looking sneaker. It does come with the all black upper, does come with gold accents with a translucent blue outsole. Very good looking Air Jordan 6. In my opinion, one of the best Air Jordan 6s that we have ever seen, you know, right behind the infrared, because I do think that the infrared, you know, in terms of a retro, is the best retro out there for the Jordan 6 model. But more specifically, what we're going to be talking about is an estimated resale prediction for these in today's video. Now, here, as you can see, last transaction was $248 for a size 8. Lowest ask is currently $245, and the highest bid out there for all sizes is $250. Now, retail for the sneaker has been set at $200, so that means depending on the taxes in the state that you do live in, you're looking at your total cost of the sneaker. It should be free shipping from wherever you do order these sneakers from, so you're looking at a total cost of $213 depending on the taxes in the state that you do live in. So that means on StockX, if you do sell on StockX, which I know a lot of you are probably running away from StockX right now due to some recent things and them adding fees, but anyways, we are going to keep it as StockX for the time being, and we may possibly change that in the future to where I think the best place to sell your sneakers is. But anyways, guys, break-even point is going to be right around that $250 mark, and as you can see, the highest bid is currently $250. We're going to pull all the bids right now. We do have this one, the men's size, and as you can see, guys, at a break-even point of $250, I do think that there are so many retailers, and stock is not, you know, astronomical for this sneaker, but I do think that if you are on the website, you follow us on Twitter, you will be able to secure your personal pair. When it comes to reselling the sneaker, I think when you do use a reselling platform, unless you do use eBay, there's no way you can make money. eBay does have 0 seller fees, but it is very risky to buy and sell on eBay because replicas, there's no middleman to authenticate the sneaker. So I do think that the only way you can make money on this sneaker initially is if you do sell locally, and you know, total cost of the sneaker is roughly going to be around $213. If you move pairs for, you know, $230 to, you know, $250, that's most likely what they're going to be selling for on StockX. I do think that these sneakers are going to sell out in men's sizing, so definitely be on the website when these go live, because I do think that people have been waiting for the sneaker for a very long time and they are pretty excited. So guys, if you haven't, please do watch that video on the Yeezy Linen resale prediction. I will link it in the top right hand corner and also down below in the video description. Also, if you see a video here that you would like to watch, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you guys there in just a little bit, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, all you gotta do is hit that Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless, good luck on this release, and have a great day.